What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to move pictures freely in Microsoft Word and fix their position on the page. When you insert an image into Microsoft Word, it might be anchored to a text or behave in a way that makes it difficult to position exactly where you want. But don't worry, with a few steps, you can easily move your images freely to fix their position. First, click on the image you want to move. When you do this, you notice a small icon called the Layout Options button that appears near the top right corner of the image. This icon looks like a half circle with lines beside it, symbolizing how text will wrap around your image. Click on this button to open the Layout Options menu. Within this menu, you'll see various text wrapping options that control how the image interacts with the text around it. The default option is usually in line with text, which treats the image like a large piece of text, making it hard to move freely. To gain more control over the image's position, select one of the other text wrapping options. For example, if you choose the square option, the text will wrap around all four sides of the image, giving you more flexibility to drag and position the image anywhere within the document. Another useful option is top and bottom, which places the text only above and below the image, leaving space on the sides. This option is great when you want to center your image without text crowding the sides. If you want the image to sit on top of the text or behind it, select either the In Front of Text or Behind Text options. The In Front of Text option will allow the image to overlay the text, which can be useful for creating a more dynamic design. The Behind Text option will place the image behind your text, which is often used for watermarks or background images. Now, let's talk about how to fix the position of an image. This is particularly useful if you don't want the image to move around as you edit the document. To do this, click on the image again to open the Layout Options menu. In this menu, there's an option called Fix Position on Page. Selecting this option will lock the image in place, meaning it won't shift even if you add or remove text around it. Additionally, you can anchor the image to a specific paragraph. When you anchor an image, it will stay attached to that paragraph, even if the paragraph moves up or down the page as you edit. To do this, right-click the image and choose More Layout Options. In a new window, you'll see a section labeled Position. Here, you can check the box that says Lock Anchor. This ensures that the image stays with the paragraphs it's anchored to, providing stability in your document's layout. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.